now on a project lead. Brilliant! Oh, Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at WEB we got access to some pretty awesome tech like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature. Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the WEB Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling web just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, I'd greatly appreciate
Problem with that,
it. So anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
I'm contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry for shouting. Could you just call someone else and ask them to do it?
Okay, contacting Spider-Man.
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first of all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left untouched, my calculations predict this will lead to devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. It should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a phone problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, front the Slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle. The open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers Campus.
Little help here! Guys! I'm glad to see you guys. I'll still get this. They're heading
crazy!
Yeah, that sounds right.
Start swinging! Get the double power cells off those trucks! Spider-Man losing consciousness in 3, 2, 1!
Whoa, that was close.
Spider-Man, the threat level's at the worst thing ever. Also, the giant bot survived. But those chain reactions did worse.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
I got an We did it! I can't believe the chain reaction thing worked. You guys were amazing.
I'm very impressed, Spider-Man. You really solved the problem.
Well, I couldn't have done it without them.
That was also your idea.
Good job.
Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please collect your wits and any personal belongings as you exit the vehicle. See you later.